Unlock 2021 Mitsubishi Outlander HFM PIN code with OBDSTAR G3. Full guide. Hey folks, Hussain here, and welcome back to Baabji Motors, the garage where diagnostics and key programming meet fun and simplicity. Quick disclaimer before we roll into today's adventure. This video is made strictly for educational and informational purposes only. Everything you see here is intended to help technicians, learners, and enthusiasts sharpen their knowledge. We respect all trademarks, follow fair use rules, and always encourage you to stick to official manufacturer guidelines and local laws before touching any vehicle system. Now, here's my quick challenge for you. Most of you watch our videos without hitting that subscribe button. Subscribing takes literally 1 second, and it helps Baabji Motors grow like nothing else. So, before we get into the good stuff, let's aim high. 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments within a week. And don't just stop there. Try the hype feature under the comments. It's free, fun, and gives our video a turbo boost on YouTube's leaderboard. Let's make it happen. All right, let's dive straight into today's topic. How to read the PIN code from the HFM module on a 2021 Mitsubishi Outlander using the OBDSTAR X300 Classic G3 key programmer. Here's the real-world case. If you're working on a 2021 Outlander, you might find that the standard PIN code bypass function, especially when using the Nissan 40 PIN cable, simply doesn't work. This can be frustrating, but don't worry. We've got 2 solid methods to solve this. The first method is straightforward. Purchase the PIN code from a dedicated source. But the second method is far more hands-on and satisfying. You can directly read the 28-digit PIN code from the vehicle's HFM module. And today, I'll walk you through that process step by step. First, let's talk about what you'll need. To pull this off, make sure you have an OBDSTAR X300 Classic G3 or X300 Pro 4 tool. Along with that, you'll need the OBDSTAR RH850/V850 adapter kit, the MP001 programmer, a stable 12V high-power DC regulated power supply, the main cable, and of course, the HFM module itself. For this demo, the module part number is EB30001043, which comes from the 2021 Mitsubishi Outlander. Step 1 is making sure your tool is up to date. Always install the latest Mitsubishi Immobilizer software on your OBDSTAR device before attempting anything. Skipping updates often leads to wasted time or failed attempts. Next, navigate through the menus on your OBDSTAR G3. You'll go like this: Mitsubishi, then manual select model, choose China, then Outlander proximity, select 2021 or newer, and finally choose read PIN code with the option C4-06. Once you've done that, the tool will prompt you to identify the MCU processor on the HFM module. In this case, you'll need to select the R7F7010193 processor. After that, carefully remove the HFM module from the vehicle. Take your time here. Damaging the module during removal can set you back significantly. With the module out, move to adapter wiring. You'll need to solder the OBDSTAR C4-06 adapter onto the HFM module exactly as shown in the wiring diagram provided by OBDSTAR. Precision is key here. One wrong solder point and the read process won't work. Now, connect everything together. Attach the C4-06 adapter to the OBDSTAR MP001 programmer. Then link the MP001 to your X300 Classic G3 key programmer. To ensure reliability, always use the original decryption cable, not some modified or third-party substitute. With everything connected, power up the system using your regulated 12V power supply. Then launch the read PIN code function. If all steps have been followed correctly, the setup will successfully extract the 28-digit PIN code directly from the HFM module. And don't forget, save this PIN securely because you'll need it for key programming. Finally, use the retrieve code to perform the all keys lost programming procedure for the vehicle. With the 28-digit PIN in hand, the Outlander's immobilizer system can be reprogrammed smoothly, ensuring new keys are properly coded. And that's the complete walkthrough. So, what do you think? Did you expect the Nissan 40 PIN method to fail on the Outlander? Or were you surprised that direct HFM reading was the solution? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Personally, I think Mitsubishi has taken security to a whole new level here, which makes tools like the OBDSTAR G3 more valuable than ever. Before we wrap up, here's a cool tip. Did you know that many modern HFM modules use Renesas processors like the R7F701 and 0193, not just for security, but also for faster response and smart key systems? It's one of the reasons newer vehicles handle proximity, unlocking so seamlessly. All right, time to bring it home. If you found this guide helpful, please smash that like button. We're aiming for 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments. Share your thoughts, your own experiences, or just hype this video to push it up the leaderboard. And don't forget to subscribe. It's free for you, but game-changing for Baabji Motors. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and happy diagnosing.